Exciting day for all of those athletes. It's another chilly morning for us, 43 degrees outside right now, and really nothing has changed over the last 24 hours when it comes to the high pressure that's bringing us these dry conditions. When it comes to these fires, again, the Camp Fire to the north of us, 35% contained. The Woolsey Fire to the south of us, 52% contained, and crews are battling another fire, the so-called Briggs Fire, burning around 10 acres right now. We're continuing to track that, but the smoke causing us hazy conditions for the next 3 days. We'll be in those lower 70s as we head into the weekend, but you can see today is going to be hazy, tomorrow as well. Dry conditions expected for Saturday. When it comes to the Bakersfield Marathon on Sunday, going to be chilly conditions around 7 a.m. when it starts. Around noontime, we'll climb to those upper 60s. We'll see what the air quality looks like when we get there, but right now still unhealthy for sensitive groups, an AQI of 110, improving 2 points, but still, if there is no burning unless you do have a registered device there, and we're under that air quality alert really until those fires are extinguished. So older adults, younger children, just avoid prolonged activities outside. Going forward over the next 10 days, we're going to be in those lower 70s really through Sunday. 71 expected for today. Friday Night Football tomorrow, 73. We'll trend downwards though into those upper 60s as we move on until next week. 65 expected right now for the Thanksgiving holiday, but we're trending downwards to those lower 60s, and our lows staying in those 40s. For the Kern River Valley, a high of 73 today. Hazy conditions, those low 70s going to take us into the weekend. 60s on Monday. Tehachapi 65 degrees, mid 60s through your weekend, and then Fraser Park hazy conditions again today. 64, those 60s going to take us going into next week.